Answer the Public is a fantastic resource for bloggers, anybody that is creating content for a niche website designed to generate leads, sales, monetization, affiliate relationship sales. So what you do is you go to answerthepublic.com, and I'm using the free version. So we go right here, enter the keyword. We've got this funny guy right here, and type in a keyword. So let's just say I am working on my shampoo. I have an anti-aging shampoo partnership with Monat. So let's just say I'm going to look up hair growth. So I type in hair growth and I type in get questions. Now, Answer the Public scours the web and it pulls me in the top questions related to the word hair growth. So I'm going to scroll down once it pops up here. And first it's going to give us this crazy wheel of questions and comments. And I always go down and click the data field. All right, so the first one is all the questions with the word are, all the questions with the word can, all the questions with the word how, okay? And then we go down here and we have what and when and where and so forth, okay? And then we also can do it alphabetical and related. All right, so let's just say I'm creating a website all around hair growth. So I look over here and I look at, are hair growth shampoos effective? That is a blog topic. Are hair growth products safe? That's a topic. Okay? Now, you'll notice the little numbers next to here. These are being populated with keywords anywhere. Okay? And sometimes something has a 0 search and it's not a good quality keyword. And other times it might just be trending or possibly not even track correctly. The keyword tools can be crazy. But if you look down here, let's find a couple. I like this one. How much hair growth in a month? Okay, this one is perfect for Monat. So I've got this shampoo line that is known to promote hair growth. So what I could do is I could write a blog called How Much Hair Growth Can I Expect in a Month with Monat. And then what I can do is I can go over to the Facebook public testimonials page and I can pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, whatever it is, testimonials of people that have their before and after picture within a month. So I could say something like 10 samples, 10 visual samples of how much hair growth one might expect in a month. Something like that, okay? Obviously, I'm not going to overpromise or overdeliver anything, but I can pull those. That's a great blog post. Now, the fact that it's under 110 monthly searches is usually what I look for when I'm first starting off a brand new blog that has no search engine visibility. Google doesn't even know what it is yet. My first couple months, I'm really pounding out the content. I'm starting at the bottom, under 250 searches a month kind of topic, okay? Because I want to have a lower barrier of entry, less competition typically in those areas, and I can get launched faster. Now, as I continue to build my website, well, now I've got visibility, I've got traffic, Google knows who I am, Google's crawling my site frequently. Now I can go for those more competitive keywords, but don't start at those top tier keywords. Start at the bottom, okay? So here's another one, how to stimulate hair growth. Now, I'm not going to start with that one, 1900, but I'm going to put it on my list. That's going to be something I come back later, okay? How to improve hair growth. That might be a good one. It's amazing to me there really aren't a lot of great... Okay, hold on. Here we go. What promotes hair growth? $8.80 a month. What causes hair growth? $3.90 a month. What stops hair growth? Whoa, that's a good one. What stops hair growth? So we could talk about, caked on products. We could talk about maybe going under anesthesia or stress or things that would stop hair growth, aging, genes, hereditary, all of that, right? That's a good one. Okay. And then I'm kind of scanning this to see if there's any more that jump out. if you're not worrying about the little search engine numbers, there is so much good stuff here. Like, will hair grow salt? Okay, so you might look down and say, I just saw a couple. Will turmeric stop hair growth? That's a blog post, you guys. Seriously, there's people searching it. Will estrogen help hair growth? There's another one. Will biotin help hair growth? There's another one. Will shaving increase hair growth? That's a blog. Now, not all of these types of blogs need to be super long form content. I mean, if they're not super competitive, you can write the topic, do your little intro, maybe include a video, yours or somebody else's, with permission to share, with the YouTube permissions built in to share. And then you can simply answer the question. It might only be 300 words, 400 words, 500 words, because it's really hard to write 2,000 words that answer the question, will shaving increase hair growth, right? So just answer it and just kind of go down one by one by one. Let's do one more topic for the sake of it. So I'm going to go to questions, and let me go back to the beginning here, answer the public. And let's say we are building a blog post all about cruises. Okay, so everything we want to know about cruises. So I'm going to type in the word cruise. All right, we'll get questions. We're going to let this populate. I've shown this before for real estate, and it's absolutely incredible. I also have a real estate business, and it's so easy. Oh, this is gold, you guys. Oh, so good. Are cruise ships safe? Are cruise ships top heavy? Are cruise prices per person? Oh, this is good. I may have to do this. I always get excited when I teach. I want to do everything. I want to do all the things. Are cruise ship pools heated? Good one. Good one. Are cruise excursions worth it? Are cruise ships dangerous? Clearly these keyword tools. I can't imagine that's all that search volume that one has. Hold on. Something's got to be glitchy. Are cruise ships dangerous? Yeah, I don't know why that's not pulling up higher than that. You know that people are searching that term. That's a free keyword tool that's plugged in. Well, but it's feeding from Google. So here you are. Cruise ships safe in rough seas, 70. Are cruise ships fun? Okay, so this is Google now pulling this up. I do this a lot where I'll get ideas from Answer the Public, and I'll shift over then to YouTube or then to Google and look up that search. I also show you how to use my keyword tools to look this stuff up. But anyway, this is cool. This is a great way to get started when you are creating a niche website. Questions and answers are amazing blogs. And if you can't think of anything else on your own, these are the kind of places to go. Answer the Public is great. Quora.com is great. Google is great. SEMrush is great. There's other keyword tools. These are fantastic for doing some basic topic research. So that's how you use answerthepublic.com.